the beautiful town of Louisburg, a 3-acre horse property that actually has Oliver and Tara over here enjoying the upper pasture. This is the 1,500 square foot home with new engineered hardwoods. We just installed gutters and downspouts, and the sellers have taken a fantastic job in caring for the home and making some upgrades that really needed to be made. Behind me, you'll also see the 4-stall barn that has electric running water. This is a fantastic place to live, and I'll give more information as to why. Okay, coming at you from a different angle, here is a 4-stall barn, tech room, running water, electric. It actually is easy access for your animals right to the upper pasture. I'll show you the lower pasture that has cross rails and a rooster and 2 chickens. But this barn is center aisle. They did rip out and put a new flooring, so it's been power washed, the tech room as well. There are 4 12 by 12 stalls. If you have a larger horse, you could always make one of those stalls larger. So this barn is really ready for you to bring the horses. Like I showed you, Tara and Oliver are here and have loved living in this barn, and they are in the upper pasture now. Behind us over this way, there is a gate that there's a riding trail off the property to a stream behind, and then across the driveway down at the end, there's another trail. This neighborhood and Cook Road in Louisburg, surrounded and filled with horse properties. When you drive, you will see donkeys, horses, goats, and you'll see people riding up and down the area. It is close to other riding trails too. It's a fantastic place to live. And being out here, especially in the sunshine, this is where I want to be, and this is why I love listing and representing horse lovers, animal lovers, when I have the chance to come out here and really show you why and where the value is in land and already having an established barn with water, with electric, with a hot fence. It's nice, it's key, it's exciting, it's fun, and it's where dreams start. So here you could see the lower pasture, what leads from the barn right down to this nice larger pasture area that has the cross rails, the round pen, and the beautiful wooded trees behind that are giving a little bit of perimeter of shade, which we all know, again, needed for the heat. So this is what the property backs up to. So come out to Louisburg, and if Louisburg's not the place for you, let us know where is, because we have listings coming and we love representing buyers, and now's the time.